Oh, and it goes back too. Look at that. Wow. Oh, it's not going to go in. It's going to go in. Oh, wow. Wow. This here is the AeroHT Flying car. So basically they showed their prototype last year, and here's some shots of it flying. And then this year they came up with this amazing looking car. It's a supercar, and it actually can drive on the road like a regular car, and then it folds out and these rotors come out and the car can fly. Jetsons, here we come. What do we have here? It looks like a flying car.
Yes, it's our flying car. It's our VTOL flying car from China, Guangdong, Huitian. Yeah, it can take off vertically and landing. It's a pure electric flying car. It's just like a super cool supercar, and it equipped the flying systems, and it can automatically close and open. Yeah, and maybe you can drive on the road and fly in the air. It have 2 seaters.
So it folds up and then it drives like a normal car.
Yes, if the flying system close down, and you can drive as a supercar.
Oh wow! Yeah. And how fast does it go as a car?
Just like a normal electric car.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what is the range when it flies? How far can it fly?
Oh, it's still in the R&D process, and we are now not have the final the data of all of the cars.
But it flies, right?
Yes,
Have
it
you
can
flown
fly.
it?
Yeah, maybe you can see the screen. This is the prototype last year, and it made our test flight last year, and it's successfully. And this is based on that one. But we redesign it, and it's more cool, more beautiful.
The prototype that flew weighed an actual 2 tons, so they're able to get a lot of weight off the ground with this particular flying car. This flying car, it just sounds cool to say that.